Can a man-made machine think? What is the thinking process? The mind, the result of the activity of the mind. And what is intelligence? It is on something related to calculation, or it's more than this. So let's come back to the history of computers and remember that, in matter of fact, everything that you can see in your smartphone, your computer, is the result of a sequence of 0 and 1, or in other words, the presence or the not presence of energy in a transistor. Of course, we already had other technologies than transistors to make computers. What is a computer? It's a calculation machine, automated calculation machine. So, we are talking about 0, 1, the presence and the not presence of energy, and the most basic calculation, that is a plus, right? All of these are basic steps to understand the computer. But the question is, what is intelligence? And here we have a great problem today, because we are talking about artificial intelligence, right? But this is not the correct term. Why not? Unless we can open a Pandora box, and this is very dangerous. Intelligence is, by one perspective, the possibility to rule itself. So, if you allow the machine, the software that is on that hardware, rule itself, then this is alive. This is intelligence. It's more than simple calculation process, right? It's more than this. So, the possibility to rule itself, that is liberty, is a very dangerous thing to give to a machine, right? But it's the only possibility to create artificial intelligence is given liberty. So the software can change the rules that the program wrote. What is a computer? A computer, in one sense, is a machine that is obedient for the person who gives the orders, that are the programmer, right, or the user. So the machine does what the user or the programmer say, right? If you give liberty to this machine, so you broke this connection. If we will talk about artificial intelligence, we need to consider this. Give liberty for the machine. But this is correct? Let's think about bias, right? that we can verify today in a lot of artificial intelligence applications, that is machine learning applications. So the machine have an experience with a lot of situations, measure these situations, and learn from this measuring. But the machine is a reflect of the human society, of mankind. Why? Because we create machine for our use. So machines are measuring our behavior. And what is our ethical behavioral? Is it true that mankind always was in some war among its members? Yes, it is true. Wars are common in mankind. So machines are learning our human behavior, our nature. We are in a step maybe that machines are only learning our behavior. But and we can see in the artificial intelligence our stupid behaviors, right? As well as our good behaviors, habits. But pay attention. Without liberty, there is no intelligence. Only a machine without intelligence. A machine that learned our bias, because the software learning process that the human programmers wrote, and the human society. And now pay attention on this. This is very dangerous because machines can do calculations better than us, can be strongest, physically stronger than us, right? If we give liberty for these machines, create their own rules, it's very possible that machines start wars against humans.